Here's a picture of somebody doing electrolysis. Now, electrolysis is where a probe is inserted into each hair follicle one at a time. And then what happens is that the probe will direct an electric current to the base of the hair follicle, which destroys the follicle. The hair is then lifted out with tweezers. This method can work on any hair and any color. Hair removal is expensive and it's painful and it takes a lot of time. It also can require maintenance years later. Later in this video series, we're going to have some more extensive videos on laser, electrolysis, and also it's very important to me, the pain management that we can use during laser and electrolysis hair removal. In my opinion, if we don't address hair removal associated pain, does this become just another punishment for being transgender? I hope this information was helpful to you. We'll have more on these topics over the next few videos. So in any event, if this has been valuable to you, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this information with others who may need it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.